Do you know what was in cybersecurity news yesterday, July 30th, 2024? Microsoft Azure experienced a global meltdown. Millions were affected. Let's dive into the details. Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365 users were met with frustrating disruptions across the globe. The outage hit multiple locations, including the US, Canada, Europe, Asia, and beyond. Microsoft quickly acknowledged the issue, deploying engineering teams to tackle the problem head-on. The root cause? Networking configuration changes that didn't go as planned. Failovers to alternate paths were implemented to restore services. As of the latest update, there are signs of recovery, but Microsoft continues to monitor the situation closely. For those still experiencing issues, Microsoft recommends keeping an eye on the Azure status page and reaching out to Microsoft support if problems persist. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops. In the meantime, keep calm and tech on. Stay vigilant and always be ahead of cybersecurity news. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to learn more about cybersecurity.